The printing press. What if I told you one invention kick-started the modern world? Before 1440, books were handwritten, rare, and incredibly expensive. Knowledge was a luxury for the few. Then, Johannes Gutenberg introduced the printing press. Suddenly, information could be copied quickly and cheaply. Ideas spread like wildfire, fueling the Renaissance, the Reformation, and the scientific revolution. It wasn't just about printing books, it was about printing a new future for humanity. From handcrafted scrolls to mass-produced knowledge. This was the first information superhighway. Think about that the next time you download any book. The steam engine. Let's fast forward a few hundred years. The world was powered by muscle, human and animal. Progress was slow, literally. Then, in the 18th century, the steam engine chugged onto the scene. James Watt's improvements made it the powerhouse of the Industrial Revolution. Factories could be built anywhere, not just by rivers. Trains and steamboats connected continents, shrinking the world and creating global trade like never before. It was loud, it was dirty, but it fundamentally changed how we work, travel, and live. This wasn't just an engine. It was the engine of progress. The telegraph. Imagine waiting weeks or even months for a message to cross the ocean. That was reality until the 1830s. Then, Samuel Morse introduced the telegraph. Using a simple code of dots and dashes, humanity could send messages at the speed of electricity. "What hath God wrought?" was the first official message. And it truly felt like a miracle. For the first time, a general in one country could communicate with leaders in another, instantly. Global news became a reality. The world felt smaller, more connected. The telegraph was the grandfather of every text, email, and DM you've ever sent. The transistor. Okay. Let's talk about the unsung hero of your digital life. Before 1947, electronics were bulky, unreliable, and power-hungry, using fragile vacuum tubes. Then, 3 scientists at Bell Labs invented the transistor. This tiny, solid-state switch was a game-changer. It was small, efficient, and durable. It made radios portable, computers smaller, and paved the way for everything from calculators to space travel. Every single smart device you own contains billions of these microscopic marvels. It's the invisible foundation of the digital age, proving that sometimes the smallest things make the biggest impact. The Internet. ARPANET. Where did the Internet come from? It wasn't born in a garage. It started as a military project in the 1960s called ARPANET. The goal was to create a communication network that could survive an attack. They developed a revolutionary idea, breaking data into small packets that could travel independently and be reassembled at their destination. This decentralized design is the core principle of the Internet today. On October 29, 1969, the first message was sent. It was supposed to be login, but the system crashed after low. A humble beginning for the network that would eventually connect the entire globe. The smartphone. The printing press put knowledge in libraries. The Internet put it on your desk. But the smartphone put the entire history of human knowledge right into your pocket. Debuting in the 21st century, these devices combine the transistor's power, the Internet's connectivity, and dozens of other technologies into one seamless package. It's a camera, a map, a library, and a communication hub all in one. It has redefined how we learn, work, and connect with each other. From ancient sparks to the screen in your hand, technology is the story of us always innovating, always connecting, and always reaching for what's next. Thanks for watching this journey through time. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing stories from history. See you in the next one.